Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to hide your likes on X. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings, so simply click on more and then go to settings and privacy, and then you're gonna have to go to security and account access, and then what you're gonna have to do, so you're gonna have to go here and then simply go to audience, media and tagging. And then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enable this option here and then simply click on protect, and basically only people that are following you can see the post that you liked. So if you don't want someone to see your likes, you can basically enable this and don't accept their following, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.